Hello my YouTube friends. Today I am inviting you to my family room where I put up two arrangements. This is my first one. Many people these days choose not to set up a live Christmas tree. Instead they use an artificial one. But when the tree is small, then it looks lonely. I have a small tree, so this is how I tackle this problem. I took 4 containers filled with wet foam, and then I inserted a lot of live evergreen branches. And some live trees now as tall as my artificial tree. And by doing so, I accomplished 2 goals. I created a grove of trees so my artificial tree does not look lonely anymore. Also, the live branches emit a wonderful smell and add a great texture and colors to my arrangement. Now let's come closer to the main tree and look at my decorations. Instead of using snowflakes, balls and other usual decorations, I use the White House official ornaments. They started this series in 1981, and the oldest I have is from 1987 and 1988. They're so beautiful. They have different shapes. Some of them are oval, square. Some of them are lighted like this Christmas tree. I also have 5 types of vehicles, 2 trains. This is one of them. I have a helicopter right here somewhere, and they're so beautiful, and I believe decorating with these ornaments help us to learn more about the American history. And when I finished my decorating with ornaments, as always, I put up strings of lights. My artificial tree does not need lights because it's a fiber optic tree, but I put a few strings to my live branches. And I like to sit on my sofa and enjoy the view of this little grove. Today I would like to wish you good luck. May there be a success at every turn of life and all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.